Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can definitely check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course by Edits, and it's a 4.7 rating on Google, and it is good rating. And it's offline batches and online batches both available. And these are the career transition after completion of course. Testimonial is there. So these are the key highlights like portfolio preparation is also there, certification, AI for UI UX design is also there, and these are the success stories, career opportunities after completion of course, and diploma in terms of UI design. Certification is there. These are the student portfolio. Trainer is also there. FAQs and footer. Like no proper detailing about the modules they are going to teach you in terms of UI UX. No proper detailing about the tools they are going to teach you. But they have already mentioned that 12 plus AI tools covered, but no detailing about the tools, like what types of tool they are going to teach you. And if we give a rating according to these parameters, the curriculum is 0. Search fundamental is also 0. UI design quality is 1 for the content they have provided. Hand-on project is not there. Tools and software training is not there. Mentorship and feedback is not there. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support they are providing, so it's a 1 for me. Course value fees is 0. Industry relevance update is 1 for me because they have mentioned like 12 plus AI tools are there. So on that basis, it's a 4 out of 10 course, and it's a non-recommended course because we are not able to get the proper detail about the UI UX fundamentals they are going to teach. As again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the fundamentals related to UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX and also help you in placement and career support after completion of the course, and covers all the parameters in the given in the list and have a 10 out of 10 score in terms of updates and development of UI UX. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.